Floor scales can be found in almost any industrial setting. Factories, shipping and receiving, and storage facilities use these scales to weigh pallets. Today, we'll take a stroll through the features and options you may need to consider as you ask yourself, how do I select the ideal floor scale? When picking a pallet scale, you'll need to think about platform size and capacity, system features, and applications. Floor scales need to be coupled with a weighing readout, which can show weighing or counting amounts. You can generally buy a weight indicator as part of a bundle with a platform scale, however you can always upgrade down the road if needed. Popular upgrades or options include rechargeable battery, numeric keypad, or label printer. Among the most crucial factors to consider for a platform scale is the actual size of the platform. You'll need to know what the dimensions are of the items you are weighing. You'll need to know what the approximate weight is of the pallets you will be weighing regularly. Taking it one step further, a stainless steel washdown platform might be the best option if you'll be utilizing the platform scale in a food processing environment. And, often a diamond plate surface area would be much better for traction and security than smooth stainless steel. The old expression, "you get what you pay for," can definitely hold true with floor scales. An affordable platform scale might be cheaply made with lower quality products, like lower grade stainless steel. One of the most useful devices for platform scales are ramps. Ramps enable heavy loads to be quickly and securely wheeled onto a bigger platform for weighing. Remember, we are just a phone call away if you have any questions about platform scales.